Sirloin steak makes really good beef stroganoff. When I buy the meat, get the meat market to cut it about 1/3 of an inch. Then all I got to do when I get home is cut it this way. And it's done. I don't have to try to cut it. I browned the onions and the mushrooms in unsalted butter and set them aside. I'm not going to wash my pan. I'm going to put the meat in that frying pan. Brown it real good. And then I'll put the mushroom mixture back in, some carrots. I've got a mixture here. 1½ cups of water. 2 packages of herb ox 0 sodium beef bouillon. 1 teaspoon of kitchen bouquet. We'll put about a cup of this in there when it gets nice and brown. Put the shredded carrots in there and let it simmer until that meat is real tender. Sometimes it takes a little longer than other times. Sometimes the meat's a little tougher than others. Whenever I make this, Johnny and I don't eat half of it. I get another meal in my freezer, ready to pull out. I freeze the egg noodles too. They freeze nice. You can just smack out all that air out of there and freeze them, thaw it out, heat them up, and you got real quick prepared dinner of beef stroganoff. The meat and the mushrooms, garlic, carrot are simmering, waiting for the meat to get tender. There's only a couple of steps left. We reserved a little bit of the broth mixture, a little flour in there to thicken. When this meat gets tender, all we're going to do is thicken it and then add the sour cream. Cook our egg noodles and we're done. If you have company coming for a big gathering and you want to get that big stuff out of the way early in the morning, at this point you can keep the meat mixture warm in your crock pot. And then when it gets a little close to serving time, put it in a skillet, thicken it, and add the sour cream. Newson's Hampshire sour cream. My grocery store in Walmart has only 10 milligrams for 2 tablespoons. About the lowest that I found. Works really good. A very low sodium meal. It's not only a low sodium meal, it tastes really good and it looks wonderful.